You have questions about mold. And we have answers. You asked, how can I reduce exposure to mold in my home? According to the Center for Disease Control, if you have asthma, or if you are immune compromised, you should not stay in a moldy home, or even be there while it is being cleaned. Spend less time in your home. Stay with friends or relatives as much as you can until your home is dried and cleaned up. If the weather is good, spend more time outdoors. Don't spread mold. When you go into a moldy room, take off your shoes before you walk through the rest of your house. If you can, change your clothes. Create a separate sleeping area. If you have to sleep in a home with mold, seal off the cleanest room for sleeping with plastic tarps, and always leave your shoes outside the room. Use air conditioners and fans wisely. If your home has a whole house HVAC system, don't turn it on until it has been inspected. It could spread mold. Clean, throw away, or seal moldy items. Wash and dry, or throw away, moldy bedding, towels, and clothing. Play it safe. When you have a mold problem, don't wait. It pays to call a pro.